Pnawn da, good afternoon. Croeso i'r Llwyn Isaf. Welcome to Llwyn Isaf for Diwrnod Chwarae for Playday 2019 in Wrecsam. The chain might give it away, but I'm joined today by a very special guest who will introduce himself.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Walsh and I am Mayor of Wrecsam.
So, how are you finding Playday?
Absolutely wonderful. I cannot believe I haven't come here before because I've known about the event for many years, but obviously this being the first time this event's run since I've been Mayor and having an official invitation, I think great, can't wait to come next year. And I'm just bowled over by all the different activities and how keen the children actually are. So looking around, there's not one bored child out there, so that's a credit to everyone who's been involved today.
And why do you think a day such as this is important? That's the purpose.
I think that it's important because to promote the idea of play. Now that might sound silly, you might think that play comes naturally to us, but I think that in a modern fast-paced world, it's not always possible for the children to engage in the level of play that they do. Certainly at school, there's a lot of pressure on that now because of the curriculum. So to have days like this is great, and also it's again, middle of the summer holidays, gives the children not only something to do, but also gives ideas to the parents. They can come here, stand back, watch, and think, wow, try this at home. So that's one of the great things about this event. I think it's fantastic.
And they can see that it doesn't have to be anything too complicated.
It doesn't have to be
expensive.
No, it hasn't, because some of it, I've just seen a table tennis table with graffiti on a very old surface with just planks of wood acting as a net. It can easily be done. You can invent traditional games in so many different ways, and it's been absolutely fantastic. Also seeing children make cars out of cardboard boxes. Fantastic, yeah.
So I think it's important that or poignant that it's outside the council buildings, but why do you think it's important that the mayor comes to this? Why is it?
I don't think it's. From a personal point of view, I think as an elected member of this council, I think that it is important that all elected members see what's happening. In terms of the mayor themselves, whether it be me or one of my predecessors or a future mayor, being here in person is not essential. But let's be frank about this. The role of the mayor, the figurehead of the mayor, creates publicity. So I think it's fair to say that photos with the mayor, whether it be me, a predecessor or a future mayor, is more likely to get in the press, more likely to get shared online than if it wasn't there. So again, it helps publicise it. Yeah, you've got a good thing going here, and if you need the help of others like myself, like former or future mayors, use it, and that's what the mayor's for, is to promote the good work that people of Wrexham do.
We'll definitely take you up on that offer.
Oh, yes.
So do you have any favourite memories from your childhood? What was playing like when you were younger?
Very much fun. I loved it so much. I can remember during the school holidays, because it's quite funny now, 6 weeks as a kid, it seems to last forever. Well, now 6 weeks just goes by. Because I've got friends who are teachers, and you hear about them breaking up for the summer, and the next minute they say, "Oh, I'm back in." I thought that was quick. You haven't had much of a break. But I just remember going and playing in the woods, going to one side of the village on my bike, and just playing all sorts of games. Some of the games were absolutely silly in nature, but they were fun, and it was great. It was so good to be part of. I think that's why play is so important. It encourages the imagination, and it's not only important in terms of alleviating boredom, but also when you grow up, it's if you can think on your feet, and play helps you think on your feet. I think you could surprise yourself and make contributions to society you never thought you would. So I think that's great.
We certainly say that as play workers.
Yeah.
You know, I grew up and I played in the woods down Erddig.
Yeah.
And places like the Venture,
Yeah.
Venture Playgrounds.
Yeah.
It's a compensatory space. This is where children maybe don't have that same freedom now.
Yeah.
But we understand the value of what you experienced and learned through those experiences and myself as well. So that's why it's really important. But it's been absolutely great to spend some time
thank you.
with you.
Thank you so much for taking me around and introducing me to all the key organisers and volunteers. 10 out of 10 to all of them. Thank you so much.
Diolch yn fawr, and diolch am wylio. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you all soon. Ta-ta everyone.